So we have a mid-modern chair that is part of my dining room set that was built in the 1960s, and this chair has fallen apart. It's gotten really wobbly, and part of it is because the joints are broken. Some were repaired at some point prior to my ownership, and it doesn't seem like it was done right. So I've been taking it apart, and I have some dowels that are stuck in here. So I'm going to start by using a small sized bit and start taking the old plugs out. So I started off with one of the smaller bits, and I'm going to go down this whole row until I get to 3/8. So I have drilled out the old pieces that were broken in there, but I did leave the one intact, the one that was looks pretty good.